Don't you think that we use the word very quite often? It's not bad to say very beautiful, but what if we replace it with a more attractive word? Instead of very beautiful, we can say, you are looking gorgeous. Now, gorgeous is a word used to compliment a woman for her outfit. You look gorgeous. You look stunning. Charming. We can use charming word for kids. Now, if we have to say that we found a movie very interesting, how can we replace very interesting? We can replace it with the word fascinating. The movie was fascinating. I found the new web series on Netflix fascinating. So, guys, this is how you can replace the words with very and add into your vocabulary.